with regard to the colonialization or the colonization of Africa and the partitioning of Africa, Russia didn't participate in that. And so I ain't telling folks that Russia is necessarily your friend. I am telling you that they're not your international enemy because they white folks' international enemy. I am telling you that. And so you can kind of figure out whatever else you need to figure out. But if you want to look at aid for Black revolution, you look at Russia. So those battles that were occurring on the continent to rid itself of colonization were supported by Russia, by the USSR. That just is what it is.
Those are facts.
Those are facts. And I have not found, I ain't found, and like these embargoes on Russia now, I'm sure that they hurt Russia at some level, but not so much that Russia going to do anything different. But what they're hurting are the Black folks in East Africa who were dependent on fuel and grain from Russia, right? And so, but we scared of communism because white folks scared of communism, not because not because. So here's the other thing: we scared of communism because white folks scared of communism. Because if we understood what socialism and communism actually were, we would understand that those things in their fundamental form are closer to an African social cultural aesthetic than is capitalism.
A community-centered framework.
Correct. And so trying to understand that thing is a clear example, probably one of the most clear and present examples of our internalized oppression, is that our threat matrix is off. Mm-hmm. And so this gets back to your question about white allies. We are much more prone to ally with the enemy than we are with a friend, because our point of reference is off. So this is Malcolm, what's the matter, boss? We sick. Mm-hmm. So whatever this joke say is what we work with.